Hey friends, for the glitter placement nail art, first of all I am using this peel off base coat so that it will be easier to remove the nail art later. Let's apply this on all of our nails. Now I am using black nail paint for my base color. To do this nail art, you have to work quickly. That base color should not get dry. Now I am taking these glitter sequins. Let's sprinkle some glitter sequins on a piece of paper. Now take a toothpick and pick one glitter sequin at a time and carefully place it on the nail. Stick the sequins symmetrically. Like here, as you can see, the shiny glitters look lovely on black. Now let's do the same on the other finger. For my ring finger, I am filling the whole nail using the sequins. Apply the sequins next to each other without leaving any space. After applying a top coat, it will look like this.